Hey everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to apply modifiers to an object in Blender. So, what are modifiers? Modifiers are operations that affect the geometry in a non-destructive way, and that means that they are reversible. You can change it and bring the object to the state before applying the modifier, and also you can add several to them, and also you can add several to an object. So, how do you apply it? Okay, it's very easy. You just have to select your object. In this tab, you have to click this wrench and add modifier. You can see that there are a bunch of modifiers, a lot, sorted in different categories. And I'm going to teach you about the two more counts, mirror and subdivision. Okay, subdivision, you can see that it makes the mesh more smooth, add more vertex, but without having to work with that much vertex. You can see that this is still a cube, and you can play with it, change it, and the mirror modifier, what it does is that it makes it symmetrical. So if you want to apply this modifier, for example the mirror modifier, you go to object mode and you apply it, and you can see that it has still the same shape, but now it's not symmetrical, and that would build, and the same with the other modifier, object mode and apply, and you can see that now it has all the vertices. And that's all. I hope this has helped you out on your project and your further projects. Thank you and see you next time.